What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy J Reed for J Reed's Love of Cars. Today is one of those days. It's raining outside. There's not really too much to do, but it's supposed to be a great day tomorrow. So because it's supposed to be a great day tomorrow, we're going to get the drag pack on the car, Corvette, and possibly go to the track. Now, what I mean by drag pack, because we already got a drag pack on here, I mean the VMS wheels, the 26-inch on the back, and I'm tempted and I'm ready to try out these right here. These are the new fronts with the 215, 45, 18s on the front. I'm curious to see how low that's going to drop my car. Hopefully it's not going to be too low, but we're going to have to pull my wife's car out so I can maneuver mine some kind of way so we can get these wheels on here. Who knows, it may continue to rain, but it's not supposed to. But in either case, we fixing to pull this car out, and I need to start it up anyway. So let's get to that. So with everything, there's a good thing, there's a bad thing. The good thing about having a Vette or any car that has a stiff suspension and lowered is you can raise it up in one spot and get both tires off the ground on the side. So don't even have to use the rear jack points, don't have to use the axle, don't have to use the front. You can just jack it straight up from one jack point. Okay. And just like that, we got one side on. The car needs to settle, so it's kind of jacked up. We're gonna go ahead and get the other side. Look like it's kind of stopped raining a little bit. May even take it out, kind of clear that E85 out a little bit, then pull it back in. Get ready for tomorrow, but we're gonna do this other side right now. That's what we're gonna do, for which I'm going to have to pull the car out. All right, we got the wheels on here, and I can confirm that there is some rubbing. It's not necessarily ideal. When I make short turns, I just made a short turn. I don't even know if it was even that sharp, but it was sharp enough to get some rubbing. So yeah, so I will have to do, I do got to be careful for that. I was going to take it out and drive it real quick if it don't rain. In fact, I think I will, but this rain is coming really quick. Okay, so I am going to drive it up to the little spot real quick before this rain really starts coming down, just so I can get a good look at it. But I'm starting to think, for the amount of time that I go to the track, and I really need to kind of slow the car down to a 650, because that's the class that I want to run in, that I'll probably, going forward, just keep the other wheels and tires on. Full time. Full time. See you in a bit. As luck would have it, as soon as I turn the corner, it starts raining. Well, I'll just go around the block. The good thing is it doesn't feel any lower than like I thought it would. I thought it was going to feel lower, but it actually doesn't. I just passed a Vette, and I think that was the guy that fixed my car, that installed my supercharger. Okay. Anyway, let's see if this rain gonna hold off. All right, let's see if this rain gonna hold off. Oh yeah, I like the way that looks. Okay, okay, they looking good. The ride height's looking good. Man, okay, okay. All right, see this other side real quick. Okay. Oh, it's gonna rub.